Are you tired of digging through Pipedrive data without seeing the big picture? Learn to create a custom report in under 5 minutes. So here is the thing. You've got all this information in Pipedrive. Deals, contacts, activities, but raw data just sitting there doesn't actually help you. It's noisy. It's overwhelming. What you need is a way to turn that noise into a signal, a report that actually tells you something useful, like which sales stages are slowing you down, or how your team is performing this quarter. And the good news is, building one is way simpler than you think. I'll walk you through the exact steps. Open Insights, choose your entity and report type, customize your filters, and save. By the end of this, you will be able to pull up a meaningful report anytime you need one. No more guessing, just clear, actionable answers. All right, let's start with the basics. Open up Pipedrive in your browser. Just log in like you normally would. That is your starting point. Now, navigate to the Reporting Hub. Over on the left-hand sidebar, you will see an option that says Insights. Click that. This is where all your reporting magic happens. Give it a second to load. Depending on how much data you have, this might take just a moment. That is totally normal. Once it's ready, look for the button that says Plus Create up at the top. Click it. Then select Report from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up. This is the Add New Report window. Hang tight while it opens. Now, this is where you pick the data source for your report. You choose an entity. This is basically what you want to measure. It could be deals, leads, activities, contacts, campaigns, revenue forecast, or even projects. In my experience, most people start with deals because that is where the money lives. But pick the one that makes sense for what you are trying to figure out. After you pick your entity, you need to select a report type. This defines the structure of your report. For example, if you chose deals, you might pick something like a funnel chart to see your sales pipeline, or a bar chart to compare deal values over time. Take a second to look through the options and think about what visual would tell the story best. Once you have both set, click the Continue button at the bottom right. That takes you into the report editor. Again, give it a moment to load. And here is the really important part. Review or customize your filters. This is where you take control of your data. You can narrow things down by date range, by owner, by stage, or by any custom field you have set up. For instance, if you only want to see deals closed this month, you add a filter for that. Or if you want to focus on a specific team member, you can do that too. I've tested this a bunch of times, and the key is to not over-filter at first. Start broad, see what the chart shows, then tighten it up. You can always come back and adjust. Once your filters look good, check out the chart and the data preview. Does it answer the question you had in mind? If the numbers look right, great. If not, tweak your filters until it does. When you are happy with what you see, click the Save button. A little box will pop up asking for a report name. Make it something clear and descriptive, something you will recognize next week, like February Deals by Stage or Team Performance Q1. And that is it. You now have a custom report in Pipedrive that you can access anytime you need to make a smarter decision. No more digging through raw data hoping for a breakthrough. You have the insight. Go use it.